Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to all. Okay, today is 19th of September. We meet again. Next webinar series, support and resistance part 2. Okay, so hopefully everybody in good conditions. Okay, and good trading mood. So today we will cover part 2 of the support resistance. As usual, before we start, okay, this disclaimer yang you all kena tahu, you all need to know, produk berleverage seperti forex dan CFD mungkin tidak sesuai untuk semua orang kerana ia mempunyai risiko yang tinggi terhadap kapital anda. Sila pastikan anda memahami sepenuhnya risiko yang terlibat, ambil kira objektif pelaburan anda dan tahap pengalaman sebelum anda berdagang, dan dapatkan nasihat bebas sekiranya perlu. Okay, bahan yang digunakan dalam pembentakan ini adalah untuk kegunaan pemasaran umum dan pendidikan saja. Ia tidak melibatkan sebarang kajian pelaburan dan ia juga tidak boleh dianggap sebagai nasihat pelaburan, cadangan pelaburan atau nasihat jual beli suatu instrumen kewangan. Sila ambil maklum bahawa informasi yang mengenai data yang lalu tidak boleh dianggap jaminan untuk data akan datang. Okay, pihak kami tidak bertanggungjawab atas sebarang kerugian atau keuntungan daripada pelaburan yang diambil berdasarkan informasi dalam pembentakan ini. Okay, informasi yang terkandung dalam pembentakan ini tidak dibenarkan diterbitkan atau disebarkan tanpa kebenaran bertulis daripada pihak Hot Forex. Okay, I think you all understand all the disclaimer for education purpose only, not for any financial advice or trading advice. Okay, so I'm Tuku Ishak, saya Tuku Ishak, trainer di Hot Forex. Okay, I'm with Hot Forex for 2 years already. I'm with Hot Forex for 2 years since 2017, January 2017 until now. So my position as a trainer, now I'm upgrade to market analyst. I start to trade and invest in specifically in forex since 2012. Before that, I involved in the other market instruments. So I always keep the simple mantra: trust yourself. Okay, trust yourself. Keep it simple, less is more. Okay, this is me, my picture. I think most of you know who am I. Anda semua kenal saya. So let me go. Okay. Part 2 of the support and resistance. This is support, I believe everybody know, and this is resistance. Okay, so the key of the support and resistance is for us to know the trend and how we can trade the breakout or the pullback. Okay, and when price, usually what we do is we always look to buy at the support and sell at the resistance. Simple word: buy at low, sell at high. Buy at low, sell at high. Buy at low, sell at high. So most of the time, price will move in between support and resistance. Okay, so give us opportunity. Okay, support resistance provide us the information which area we can sell, which area we can buy. Itu yang penting. Mana kita nak sell and mana kita nak buy. Area, bukan confirmation, indication. Okay, information, maklumat. So the support resistance only is not enough for us to trade. Okay, we need to know additional 1 thing, 2 things for us to get the idea to trade. Okay, but support and resistance is good enough for us, okay, to get the idea how we can trade. Okay, so support and resistance provide us, macam I cakap tadi, high probability that price will reverse or break. If break, it will reverse back. Okay, okay, because why? Because it happened in the past and it will continue to do so in future. Okay, technical analysis is all the thing have the history. So history tu yang kita kena tahu. Okay, so sorry, so this is the key that we need to know. Okay, and the time frame, the higher the time frame, okay, example this one, 4 hour is more significant, weekly more significant, daily more significant as compared to 4 hour, and 4 hour is more significant compared to 1 hour. Lagi tinggi the time frame, lagi reliable the support resistance. But one thing I need you to clear, okay, this is always been misconception among all the trader. Okay, all the traders selalu confused dengan benda ini. Okay, what is that? Okay, let me go. Saya try buka satu chart. Okay, let's go for 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is the resistance. Okay, this is the resistance. We all know resistance. But you must remember the line is just the indicative. Support and resistance always in the zone. Okay, always in the zone. Remember that. Always in the zone maksudnya apa? It's not fixed at one price. It have a specific zone. Macam sini. Okay, how we want to know which zone? Usually, what I'm doing is I will make a box and try to cover the highest and like this one. So it will cover all the string. Okay, so this is the support and resistance zone. And we draw back to the behind is almost this area. This is the zone of the resistance. Okay, the simple one. Okay, and how about the support? This is the support. Saya selalu start lukis pelik sikit. Saya start dari kanan because I don't want to go to the left much. This is the support. And try to go resistance, supports, resistance, support, resistance, supports. So this is the support and resistance. So where is the next support? Here. Like this one. Okay. I know this is support, but kita tengok sini. This also have another support. Okay. So what we should do? Saya selalunya kalau saya buat line, I already know this is the area. Usually I try to make it, okay, overlap 1, 2, it's okay, good enough. And resistance, okay. I try to get a comfortable area. Don't worry kalau you tak boleh lukis semua. Kalau kita nak lukis semua support resistance, this is the drawing actually. History. Peak, sharp turn. Okay. Hello bro. Okay, sharp turn. This is the sharp turn. This is the sharp turn. Every sharp turn, if we're drawing and we can see the support and resistance. Like this one. But I always say, okay, I always say to all, perlukah kita lukis semua? For me, it's not necessary. Okay, for me, it's not necessary. And then the question, how can I draw? Okay, how can I draw the support resistance? Okay, the best drawing for the support resistance is simple. Okay, saya delete balik. Is support resistance that you feel have a comfortable range for your drawing. Okay, like this one. Okay, range dia selesa mata memandang, nice and good. Okay, macam tu saja. You don't have to draw every U-turn. Okay, every U-turn yang saya ajar. Okay, ni ada peak. It's not necessary. It's up to you. Our area may be slightly different. Okay, what we see in the support resistance may be slightly different. Okay, slightly different compared to each other. Okay, ada yang draw sini, ada yang draw sini, ada yang draw macam ni, ada yang draw based on this. So sebab tu, if you not confident enough, you make a box. This is the resistance area. Done, easy. So the area is about how many pips? 20 pips. The area. So comfortable for you all. Okay. But for me, I put a line. It's okay, enough. Kita boleh understand. Don't misconcept support resistance is a line. No. Support resistance is the price area where the potential rejection will happen. Okay. Where the potential rejection will happen, itu adalah kepentingan support and resistance. Okay. Itu. Last week, I already teach you all how to draw support resistance. The easiest is you change to line chart. Okay. Change to line chart, you draw saja. You nampak sharp turn, you draw. Kalau ini dekat, you nak draw. It's up to you. But for me, if the case like this, mana lagi sharp turn, sharp turn. If the case like this is too close, so I try to take the comfortable range for me. Okay, the comfortable range, macam jarak. Range for me here is about 50 pips. Okay, it's not compulsory 50 pips, but okay, this support resistance range is good for me. Okay, I change to the chart. And you see this is quite close to each other. Choose only one. Selalunya saya akan adjust balik sini. Just cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because there are some ask me how to draw when overlap like this. You must remember support and resistance is the area. Area yang mana dia akan cover semua sekali. Ini adalah area support and resistance. Tell you frankly. Oops, sorry. This is area of the support resistance. Some like to use it box. Some like to use a line. I more prefer to use a line. It's easier for me. Okay, like this one, I try to adjust a bit. After you change to the candlestick chart, you adjust a bit secukup rasa lah. Okay, kita panggil macam masak lah. You letak garam, we must know the exact amount of the salt, no. But we make salt, put in the salt in your cooking so that you can feel the saltiness. It's not compulsory, okay, 2 spoon of salt or 3 spoon of salt. Okay, garam kita letak secukup rasa. Bukannya compulsory, berapa sudu. So, dalam trading pun, secukup rasa. Okay, just bukan falsafah ni tau. Ini perumpamaan. Similarity. Actually, trading is very closely related to us. Sebenarnya dalam trading, trust yourself, semua benda tu, kita practice every day. Okay, now we go for the next. Okay, what we call the second part of it is support become resistance. Okay, support become resistance. This is where, okay, ini resistance, ini support. It moving along the support resistance sampai satu level, dia akan break. Bila dia break, what will happen? Most likely scenario, it will come back to the resistance, previous resistance, and reject. So, bila dia reject sini, resistance become support. This is one of the most common strategi yang paling mudah, yang paling menarik, and paling simple kita boleh guna. RBS. Resistance become support. Resistance break, don't worry. Okay, because why? Because selalu people worry tau. Okay, this is the simple theory, don't follow. Okay, we buy here, we sell here. We buy here, okay, sampai sini kita sell. Poop, going up, hit our stop loss. Don't worry, because why? Price will come back sooner or later, and this is the area where we can buy again, and we can cover our loss on this part. Risk management is other thing. This is I give you simple sell at resistance, buy at support. But sure, we need confirmation. This is the information, the indication. Confirmation kita perlu tahu candlestick pattern. Okay, but this is the simple thing that we can use. So paling mudah and going up. So this one, resistance becomes support, is very important area. Okay, it's very important area. The next is tadi resistance, now is support. Support is break and it come back to the area where is the previous support and reject. So support become resistance. RBS, SBR. RBS, SBR, remember this. If we using the RBS strategy and SBR is the easiest one for us to trade. Seriously. RBS, SBR is one of the most easiest. Okay. One of the most easiest. Okay. So, tak payah tengok panjang-panjang. Kita tengok case by case. Okay. Case by case. Case by case, this one. RBS, SBR need a bit of skill to go for the scan, tapi lama-lama you akan biasa if you find this one. Okay, this line. Okay, you all nampak ini adalah support, betul? So, support and resistance. Okay, this is the example story. Price, support, resistance, bounce, support, resistance, bounce nicely, bounce, boom, break. It break, it going down. Yeah, it true is going down. And what will happen? It come back to here. And what is this place? This place is previous support who become resistant and it's going down. Okay, this one we can get a good trade. Okay, sini adalah area yang mana kita boleh dapat good trade. Seriously. Okay, macam mana? Example, dia break, dia turun, and dia test balik sini. You can see this is the candlestick rejection, pin bar. Okay, take some risk, go for this one. Okay, kita sell kat sini. Kita punya target profit mana? No. We must know how much we risk. Okay, candle close. Okay, 20 pips. We go for 20 pips. Yep. Just nice 20 pips is going up. It's going up. And then it break again. Let's go make another move. So this is the example. Okay. Ini adalah example yang mana support become resistance. For the support become resistance, saya suka guna box. So I can differentiate support resistance and support become resistance. Why? Because one day we will use it differently. Resistance. Okay. Macam sini dia patah balik. It's not working. It's not working, it's okay. Never mind. Ini resistance, support. Boom, stay break, they go for another support. So untuk confirmation, we need to use a candlestick pattern. But support become resistant is very interesting because why? Because it is important. Tadi saya start dekat sini. Betul? Kan? You cuba tengok. This is simple structure. This is resistance, right? Okay, resistance. Break. Then coming down, support. Going up again, break the resistance. And you see? It coming back, test, and go up. And test and go up. For the support resistance, I not really use line. Because line, I usually use the big one. Tapi support resistance, I try to find where the good point which I can do the trade. Okay, right now, let me see. Current market situation. Okay, ini adalah support area. Okay, inilah support area, and you can see the rejection. Memang tak sampai support, tapi this area is quite good. Kalau I get another pin bar here, maybe I will try to go for the buy positions. So stop loss is slightly below here, 30 pips. I will go minimum 30 pips or more. Okay, 30 pips is the. So right now price bergerak dalam range sini. Okay, support, resistance, support. Kalau reject, I will go. And then soalan datang, this not touch this line. Like I said to you, okay, support resistance is subjective. It's an area macam ni. Kalau an area, plus minus, dia akan touch. We still consider. Okay, I still consider. I'm not really particular on the line. I'm particular on the price area. Okay, let's go for another thing. Okay. Because why? Because support and resistance ni sangat interesting untuk kita trade for the short term. For the short term. Long term memang lagi seronok. Ini, I give you example, one example, this one. What happened? Let me go on the okay, try to go to H4. Here. This is the support. Everybody see clearly. Okay, kita tengok ah. Ini I bagi you case study lah. Okay, boom, support corner, come, resistance. You tengok dia reject resistance sini ah. Sini kita ada support. Support area. Kalau kita tukar pada line chart, we can see the peak here. Right here. And boom. This is the support become resistance. Rejection and going down. So, confirmation kita guna candlestick. I will cover in the candlestick. 45 pips, 50 pips. It can go easily 100 pips. H4. Okay. Boom. It's going down. Okay. This trade, support become resistance. Next, okay, we can see it breaks support. Next, what we see is here, rejection. Another round of the rejection, support become resistance. Boom. This opportunity jarang-jarang sampai, jarang-jarang datang. But once it's come, can go very, very, very good trade. Let's go. Okay, we can see this is support. Okay. Now it start to define. This is resistance. Break resistance. Okay, break this resistance. And you can see they break, they coming back. We may be missed this trade, never mind. They reject balik resistance. Just play around the support resistance area. Boom. Reject another resistance. Now it try to break. Kalau dia break lagi tinggi, dia patah balik sini. Opportunity for us. Tapi, in between the big resistance area, you try to see this one. Okay. This one, tak sampai, never mind. Okay. The small structure in between is very, very interesting for us to trade. Like this one. This is resistance. Okay, ini kita nampak resistance. Okay, it's top. Okay, what happened? When support become resistance is very, very interesting. What happened? One strong candle, big candle break, boom, bocor semua resistance, and you see what happened next. It coming, it test and go up. So bounce semua drawing. Okay. Kalau you tak nak guna support resistance, nak cari just SBR, RBS, easy. Need some good eye, but still, if we practice, make perfect, you can see what happened. Resistance, it make resistance, 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 resistance. Break resistance is coming back, reversal pattern. Bullish engulfing. Okay, look the risk 75 pips. 1 to 2 risk reward ratio 150. It go beyond that, 290 pips. H4, a simple punya trade. If you miss this, this another opportunity, this is another opportunity. Okay, sini ada first reversal, ini ada second reversal, ini ada third reversal. Which one do you want? RBS SBR is the most beautiful and simple thing to work with. It may not give you high percentage. Don't expect, okay, saya trade ni kena 100% profit. No. Out of 10 trade, maybe 4 stop loss. But the 3 profit can give you a very, very good profit. Okay. Ada yang ambil trade sini. There are some who take this trade, going up, happy. When it's falling down, start to worry. And exit the trade. This is what happened. Watch out for this area. As long as not break below, it's still okay. It's going up one more time. Try to play again one more time and boom. Our stop loss is slightly below here. It never hit our stop loss. So that's the back to the question. Are we ready for that? Same thing happened here. If you watch, this is, let's say, this is support area. Okay. You boleh nampak sini. This is support. Okay. And what happened? We try to make area like this. Shadow to the body. Okay. Boom. Break. Retest. Rejection. First opportunity or the second opportunity you get. Not a big money. Kalau kita trade from here, it's about 58. You can get about 60, 120. So ini turnaround. Turnaround sebab apa? You tengok sebab di sini ada support. When this support is break by the strong, okay, break by the strong bear, going down, going down, going down. One day it will come back to test again. This support become the resistance area. One day it will back. The question is, sabar tak sabar? Okay. Okay, break 1 week, 2 weeks, the third week dia datang balik. H4. Okay, if you see this one, ini semua kita tahu. Yang tadi macam saya tunjuk kan, konsep dia lebih kurang sama. Boom, 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 it break. Ini break, come, okay. You see some rejection here. This is what yang tadi saya tunjuk. It's not all jadi. Okay, break resistance. Turun, support, reject, reject. Okay, engulfing. Take the trade. Boom. Datang, loss. Never mind. Because why? We have a stop loss. We have the stop loss. We know what to do. But you see one thing. It's going down. Okay, it's going down. Vroom. Strong going down. Down. Okay. Reject the support. Tapi kita tak dapat reversal pattern. It's going up again. Another down. And you can see what is happen next. This support is broken. Next. This is the resistance rejection. So Kalau kita take the trade, sini sell, okay, rejection sini, ataupun if you scared, okay, you take this one, confirm. Okay, it's about 80 pips. 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. 1, 2, 3. Tak sampai 1, 2, 3. Tapi saya usually 1.15 or 1.5 or 2 risk reward ratio. Maksudnya kalau stop loss 70 pips, I will target about 1.5 of 70 pips, lebih kurang 100 pips or times 2. Stop loss 70 pips, I will hunt for profit 140 pips. And it coming back give us a very good trade. Is it difficult to draw the support LBS SPR? No. This is the laziest thing. Okay. And this is the beautiful thing. If anybody love gold. Okay. If anybody love gold, gold is very beautiful thing for the support and SBR LBS. This thing. You know this is support, right? Support, support, support. Okay, so we have the area support, support, support. You see the break. The break here. You test. You try again. You try again before you go. We enter here. We have heart attack here, 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 here. And then happy ever after. The question is, can we survive the heart attack at here? We can survive if we have a risk. Stop loss. Yang orang selalu heart attack, panic bila price start reverse balik, bila dia tak tahu, dia tak ada stop loss and they don't know how much they risk. Because no stop loss, if spike up, boom, out. And then it fall down nicely, 500 pips, gold. And this is one of the phase setup, but not really phase setup, LBS, SBR. This is resistance, this coming back, test, going up, fail. Okay, ini saya akan cerita kenapa dia fail. Every failure have a reason. One of the reason is there are no reversal candlestick here. Ini bukan reversal candlestick. Kalau you nak tengok smaller, this is support. Betul? And you see what happened. Ini. This is reversal candlestick engulfing. And it's going down. Get some money. Terlepas, naik round. Some more money. Ada lagi tak? Okay, support, resistance, resistance. Sini 1 round, sini 2 round, sini 3 round. Okay. 1 round, second round, third round. Going down. Support become resistance. Support become resistance. Itu je kita pakai. This one. Reject support, reversal pattern, buy. Itu senang. Tapi kalau kita terlepas ini, try to look here. Resistance become support. Is break, retest, reverse, go. Buy at support is the initial of the reverse. Selalunya RBS SBR terjadi di pertengahan jalan. So, kalau you ada entry di sini, let's say, this is our trade. Dekat sini, bullish engulfing. Reject support, bullish engulfing. It's going trade. So, see it break. Okay, good. Retest, reject. So, we can take another trade at here. RBS, SBL is beautiful thing waktu trend tengah jalan. You nampak dia nak naik, so what we do? Tumpang dia. Tumpang waktu bila? R become S, RBS. Kalau tumpang waktu turun, S become R. This is the basic. Okay, this is the basic, really basic price action yang mana tak ramai suka menggunakannya. You can see this thing happen. Going down, fall, boom. We have two support here, if we can see. Boom, boom. Do a support break, they retest one support and they're going down. Ini adalah resistance. You see what happened? Coming back, boom, test, going down. This is support become resistance. This is the easiest. Tak payah lukis banyak-banyak. Simple. Go one by one, try to take a look and go. See. This one. You can see a very strong move down sini. Break, retest, reject, go. Sini pun sama. Don't worry, be happy. Ini ada. Okay. Break, tak sampai retest. Never mind. So, that is the simplest way. Okay, if I see this, okay, I make this line. Okay, this is support area, break become resistance. One day, you can see it test again, boom. Support area become resistance, test, boom. This is the bigger picture. Okay, this is the bigger picture. You can see this is support juga. Okay. Okay, take this area. Price come back, test, zap, go. Stop loss is about 25 pips, 30 pips that we take. Maximum 120 pips, 4 times. You trade here. Okay. Lepas tu kita ada lagi support become resistance here. So 1 position, 2 position down, make profit. And we see rejection, get out. Clear? Because today I just want to talk about support and resistance. Support become resistance, resistance become support. Okay, itu yang paling simple. Try to look GBP USD. Okay. Now sekarang ni, you see what happened to GBP USD just now. Good news. Okay, economy data good, going up, going down. Boom. We got a trade here. Okay, nicely breakout, retest, support become resistance. Boom. Unfortunately. Jadi mudah naked chart. Yeah. It's simple. Simple. Make it simple. Saya jenis tak suka complicated. I try to teach simple thing. This is where is the failure happen. Okay, it's going up, boom, nicely coming down, boom. Test, it's going up, oh, nicely. Zoop, it's coming down. It's not our day. Stop loss. Never mind. It's not our day. Sebab tu, don't expect this strategy is 100%. No. This strategy, even 50% will give us a good money already. Trust me. If you not trust yourself. So like GBP USD always happen like that. You can see. But this is the support. You can see break support, test. But do we have time to trade this one? No. Okay, what is time frame? The simple question. The time frame. This is M15. Tadi saya tunjuk H1. Let we go to M5. Okay, kita ambil one pair NZD USD M5. Okay, M5. I want to show you any time frame is workable. Okay, this is resistance, become support, boom. Become support, go. Any time frame. But the lower the time frame, the more false signal will happen. Okay, the more false signal will happen. Tapi kalau you tengok movement, every price is interesting. Going up, down. Okay, we see here, I'll make a drawing pen. This support. This is resistance. Come back, become support. Okay, going up, resistance becomes support. Okay, nothing happened here. This resistance is break. Okay, going up, turun balik ke support area, going up, turun. This one is LBS, boom. Ini maybe kita tak dapat trade, but this one we can get a trade. Don't fear of missing out. That means fear of missing out. It not touch your sub RBS area, you already want to trade. Don't. Okay, this is resistance where you can get trade here. This is another resistance. The peak here, you can get trade here. Okay, so why we want to worry about that? 2 trade is enough. I met a trader who make 1 trade per week, enough to make money. So like this one, support become resistance, break, retest, rejection, reversal pattern, go. Candlestick pattern selalu kena ada dalam kita punya trading strategi. Okay, this support, you see break, retest, down. It's not happen all the time, but once it happen, it gives us quite a good money. Okay, drop, support become. Okay, support, resistance, support, it's not there. Breakout. Okay, ini kita ada break the previous resistance, coming down, rejection, make a trade, make some money. Enough, seriously enough. And this one is another resistance, break, retest, make a trade here, it's going up, drop it, make some money. Do we need to trade every day with this one? Not necessary. This one I show you M5. The question asks which time frame. Okay, awal-awal tadi saya cakap, any time frame can you support the resistance. This is the daily time frame. Daily time frame, this is support. Tak ada patah balik resistance, never mind. Dia turun lagi, this is support. Okay, dia naik balik resistance. Okay, break, resistance, reject, break. Okay, this is the break point. And what you see? Support become resistance. It try to test again one more time before going down. Okay, ini support become resistance. Test one time, test 2 times, and then boom, give you money. And then after give you money, it want to give you another money. Okay, sekejap saya tak nak delete drawing tu. Saya buat another. This one becomes support. And you see this one, break, come back again, rejection, give another round of money, enough. So 1 trade, 2 trade, done. Macam mana nak tahu dia valid break ke tak valid break? Dia tak ada term valid break ke tak valid break. If you see this is the support and it continue to go down, break the support, don't bother body or shadow. Everything must break and going down. Okay, kita tak ada rule. Macam mana nak detect trend? Detect trend, the simple is like this. Dia buat support, dia buat high resistance. Ini previous resistance. Yang mana dia gagal tembus resistance ni, dia tembus support. Okay, ini dah jadi downtrend. And then dia naik balik, dia turun balik, dia tembus lagi support. Kita tahu downtrend. Ini paling simple. Based on support resistance tak? Ini support. Naik. Jadi resistance. Dia turun balik, dia gagal break, and then dia break resistance. Selagi mana resistance break, selagi tu price akan naik. Selagi mana support break, selagi tu price akan turun. Simple. Kita panggil low, high. Ini market structure. Higher low, higher high. HH. Higher low, higher high. Okey, saya boleh ajar yang ni, tak ada masalah. Tapi ramai yang pening. Nak ingat HH, lower low, lower low, lower high. Simple. You want to know downtrend? Okay, this is support. It go up, this is resistance. Boom, dia break support. And then make another support. And then keep continue break the support. Keep continue to break. Okay, we know. Sebab tu saya suka SBR, RBS. Sebab apa? We know. Support become resistance, we can sell. Or resistance become support, we can buy. Selagi resistance break, selagi tu price akan going up. Uptrend. Selagi mana support break, selagi tu price akan turun. Tapi sejauh mana turun is dependent. Okay, this strategy is simple but workable. Like this one, this case. Okay, pay attention to this one. Ini support, gagal jadi resistor, gagal sampai sini. Boleh tak kita pakai? Boleh. Tapi why you want to bother look far behind? Look closer. Yang dekat tu lagi nampak. Dulu, kalau orang dulu-dulu kahwin, kenapa kau nak cari jauh? Yang dalam kampung pun ada. Okay? In English, why you want to get far? Why far away? Maybe you can meet your wife at the neighbor village. Tak payah berebut nak balik raya. Trading pun sama. I'm not against. I'm not against. Okay, history yang dulu-dulu punya support resistance, this support resistance, everything. I'm not against. Oh, will it come back to here, to history, resistance datang sini, and then I can sell here because this is the resistance, support resistance, support resistance. Yeah, it's true. But why you want to see the bigger picture if you can work with a smaller picture? The small thing is workable as well. The small thing, this one is daily time frame. Take note, daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame, lepas break ni, it took 9 days, 10 days to come back and test, and then you can confirm to sell. Then you want to say, oh, no. We need to go this support area, blah, 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 blah. Oh, ini semua support resistance kena ada. Yeah, it's true. Memang semua kena ada. If you want. But me, do things simple. Keep it simple. My style is simple style. Weekly pun ada, H1 pun ada, H4 pun ada. Choose your time frame. H4, support, break support, resistance coming back. it took about 52 candle, 52 divided by 4. 52 divided by 6, let's say 6. Padius. 9 hari nak datang balik sini. Go, finish the webinar, just practice. You zoom in, you also can see, don't worry. This is resistance, yeah, boom. Resistance becomes support. You don't have to zoom out. Close by also you can see. Let me take one example, okay? What? Yang jalan-jalan kita trade. NZD CAT. Buka-buka chart ni saya dah nampak. Ini adalah resistance become support. Betul tak? Maybe not really nice, but still okay. Maybe ini dah kena stop loss. Okay. What else? Yeah. Resistance become support. Boom. Oh, baru kita dapat trade. This is not signal lah. Currently happening ya. Support become resistance. Adakah dia akan turun? Maybe. If we want to trade, what should I do? What should you do if I take a trade? I will sell. I wait for the candle to complete lah. I always wait the candle to complete in 3 minutes. Okay, confirm. Rejection. This is my sell. This is my stop loss. This is my target. If move in the profit, I will manage my trade. This is currently live. Support become resistance. Rezeki. H1. Last example. Try to load AUDJPY. Okay, going up. Resistance become support. Break, retest, go. Dapat dah ini berapa pip. 32 pips. Okay, 40 pips. Resistance become support. Tapi ini tak ada confirmation. Confirmation, next week saya akan ajar. But if you see the wave, you can see nicely. Kita ada option buy at support. Ini adalah typical. Resistance, support. Go. Reject. Macam sini resistance. This resistance. Okay, this resistance is breakout and it's not coming back. It's okay, never mind. We get this one. This resistance, breakout, retest. We get this trade. We don't get this trade because it's not coming back to here. Okay. This is what I'm showing you. This is resistance, right? You break the resistance. It's not coming back. Short. Boop, naik. Okay, miss the trade. Don't worry because this is another resistance. You break, coming back, reversal, you get the trade. Kalau miss juga, don't worry because this is resistance become support. Very SNR. It's coming back here. Boop, give you a trade. H1, 1 hour. H1, let I draw. You get. Sekejap saya tunjuk. Sini kita punya trade kan. Drawing. 1 trade, 2 trade. Okay. RBS resistance become support. Tengok. Satu hari kedua tak ada trade, hari ketiga ada trade. Cukup lah. Bawah ni dah ada dah. Okay, just try to look back, try to scroll back. I'm not really on the statistic type of guy. I just try to look, understand, break, retest, go. Okay, this one maybe fail. Okay, maybe fail or make profit. This one make profit, I think. No, 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 tak buat profit. Sebab kita trade sini dia patah balik. Okay, like this one. It's going down, going up, no. Okay, this is the trade because this is engulfing. Boom, hit our stop loss. Okay, ini confirm hit our stop loss. But, and then, you see, tak sampai. Dia turun, break, turun, tak sampai. One candle break is very strong break. It will come back. This type of break, dengan this type of break, okay, both is okay, valid. But I like this break because this is powerful. Selalu dia akan datang balik, selalunya. But never mind, dia tak datang balik. They going up, going down. So this one become resistance. And you can see it coming back and give you the trade. We miss here, but we get here. Because why? Sebab apa RBS is interesting? Because price typically always move like this. Wave. So every wave ni will give you opportunity to trade. If the wave fail, dia akan turun balik. This is trading. It may not perfect like this wave, but this is what workable. This is support resistance. Typical support resistance, buy at support, sell at resistance, yeah. It's work. But the favorite thing is SBR LBS. The simple thing. You don't have to draw everything. Trade what you see. When it happen, then trade. How it will happen? How we can get confirmation? Itu semua ada dalam syllabus price action. Okay, syllabus price action always show, okay, show you everything. Okay, syllabus price action. Sebab tu saya suka ajar price action, simple and easy to understand. Okay, like this one. After we finish support resistance today, and we will get confirmation by Japanese candlestick. Confirmation kita untuk trade is always Japanese candlestick and support resistance. So next week, Monday, kita ada market analysis. Saya buat analysis pun guna simple price action saja. Okay. So, market analysis. And then, next Wednesday, book your place now. Okay, book your place for the candlestick pula. Okay, saya bagi di mana chat. Saya sharekan link registration. Okay. You akan dapat. Okay. Kalau siapa pakai handphone, dekat attendees. Okay. Kalau siapa pakai PC tu, you dapat dekat apa? Question ke chat. Saya tak tahu sangat. Okay. Macam mana nak go? You pergi ke website Hot Forex. Kalau you tak nak link, you pergi ke pendidikan ataupun education. You buka webinar, live and English. Then you see. Malay ya. English saya tak ajar. I try to teach. I already share. Okay, link webinar. Or worst come to worst, you just open Hot Forex. Like I instruct, hotforex.com, you go to education or pendidikan webinar. And you will have the Malay. Okay. So, For the Malaysia punya region, I try to teach both, okay, English and Malay. Don't worry, yang mana tak faham English pun, I use a simple English only. Okay, so what's next? What's next? Remember one thing, okay? Remember one thing, we as a trader, this is the element we need to know. Fundamental, technical, risk management, trade psychology. Right now we cover technical analysis. After finish technical analysis using the price action, I will teach you how to use a risk management, trading psychology, and I try to go into the fundamental analysis. Sedikit terbalik, okay? Trendline ada dalam syllabus tak? Trendline akan ada next, bukan ni, selepas saya cover habis candlestick pattern, saya akan masuk sedikit trendline. Because trendline is quite complicated and quite subjective. Sebenarnya kalau guna horizontal support resistance pun dah cukup sebenarnya. Because trendline, the way you draw and I draw will be much different. Tapi ada dalam syllabus price action. On the next part, saya banyak menggunakan sebagai structure. Okay, structure. Okay, so this is the basis of the trader. Technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, trading psychology. Fundamental is not very heavy fundamental. I try to make it simple. So itu saja untuk hari ini. Okay, download the app. If you have mobile phone, smartphone, I think everybody have. Download the app and try to explore the Hop Forex apps. A lot of good information you can get from there. Okay, so thank you very much for your interest. This is all for today. I will not take long, 1 hour per week only. Okay. Tengok chart dalam laptop is better. Yang mana bagus untuk trade indicator? Indicator atau naked chart? It depend. Personality. Yourself. Like me, I will use a simple. Kalau indicator pun saya akan guna RSI. RSI saya akan guna a simple RSI. Untuk cari pun divergence. I blend with the price action naked chart. Okay, so it depend. Ada yang suka naked chart, ada yang suka indicator. It depend to individual. I try to teach now is a very simple thing which is profitable and easy to understand. Because indicator, you need to understand the indicator as well. Okay, thank you, Mr. Azim. You're welcome. And then that's all for today. Hope to meet you again next week, Monday and Wednesday. So, and if you have anything, you can contact me to Facebook or anywhere that you have information. So that's all for today. Good night, everybody. Bye-bye.